What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I want to talk about, better yet, I want to ask you guys, what mod should I get for my CT4 V Blackwing? So today's video, we're going to be here in Southgate at Midnight Club. Midnight Club is a custom shop, so I'm going to get some work done on the car. So what we're going to get done today, you'll see in just a minute. But what should I get? For the past couple weeks, I've just been enjoying driving the car. And I know for the sake of you all, y'all gonna want to see me do something, and for myself as well. So I'm thinking wheels already, maybe definitely a wrap. Wrap might be the first thing that I do. Performance, I'm hearing about JB4 tuning, which could really wake this up. Not sure when I'm gonna do that, but yeah, definitely a wrap though. Wheels, tires, I want to get some width on there, more girthy, because when those wheels feel the wheel well, it looks really good. Exhaust, couple different options, and you guys were telling me Corsa, AWE, and I reached out to AWE because we were talking about a sponsorship when I had the Integra Type S. But that damn thing, $3,000. Not sure that I want to pay $3,000 for an exhaust on a V6. Maybe we'll just start off with the mid-muffler delete or resonator delete, see what that's going to be like. Something I never did with the Subaru, window tint. Actually, that's something that we might go and do up in here now. But let's go on the inside and see what we can do here. And since I came from a track day about a week ago, see all these bugs on the grill. It's nasty. And if you know me, you know that me and washing cars, but since I'm here, and Relentless, aka Detail Finesse, he specializes in detailing cars, I'm gonna have him put his expertise and his thing on the CT4 V Blackwing. We need this thing shining, we need it right, so it can go sit in the garage for a few more days. I got a Lexus LC 500 at home, drop top, 5-liter V8. But that's not to say that I don't long for this car. I'm kind of waiting for that to get on out of here so I can enjoy my car again. So let's pull on in the garage and see what we're going to get done today. 6.4 Impala, candy paint. See the little beams of the sun hitting? It's hard, it's bright, but it's dark when it's shady. What the hell? We got the 300. Then we got me. Got the windows clean, about to install some tint. Holla at my man Quan, what's going on?
What's going on, you guys? How y'all doing? How you doing, man?
Doing well, just out here chilling, man. I forgot we had a job to do. I'm just hanging out.
Hey, bro, that's how it be.
Yep.
That is how it be.
So we getting ceramic tint. That's 35?
Yes, sir. This is 35. And then you said 50 on the front, right?
Yep.
Yes. All ceramic.
Yep. Y'all do wraps here too?
Yes, sir. We do everything. If you need detailing, window tint, PPF, wrap. If you need starlight, custom headlights, custom side markers. If you need a Hellcat, we can. Whatever you need, we can do. Whatever you need, we can do. We can get it for you. Custom rims, we wrap rims. We wrap everything. We just had somebody. We just had a client ask if we could wrap a casket, so we can do whatever.
Okay.
We do whatever.
I'm hip to them wrapping caskets. Shout out to my guy, Wrap It All LLC. He be wrapping caskets. I'm like, what the hell? Like,
hey, man. Sometimes that's just how it goes.
Well, but look at the artistry coming on up in here. I ain't seen nothing like this ever.
Arguably one of the most unique shops in Michigan.
Absolutely. Now we're getting the rear tint on. We got the back seats done. All we got left to do is the back, the front, and the windshield. So what we doing now with this?
We're shrinking the back window to conform with the curvature of the back window, so it could lay properly, because window film is straight, whereas your back window is curved. And if you try to put it on there while it's still straight and your back window is curved, you're not gonna have a good time. One of the good benefits of having like ceramic window film is that it shrinks so easily.
It's looking like some wizardry up in here.
Yeah, man. We got a little spot right there, but it'll clean up. Luckily, we right at the line, so it'll clean itself up once we get ready to lay everything out. Some people would say like, you put too much heat right there, which is true, but it's right at the line. So once I peel the residual tint away, all I do is just flatten that line back out, and it's gonna go away.
So while my car is getting worked on back there, we got the Hellcat here with Mike. And Mike, we've been doing some work back here. Now with these damn stripes right here, man, I can tell that Mike's a perfectionist. We've been looking at these stripes for like the last hour. And I'm gonna show y'all a side of me I never showed y'all before.
Yeah,
I have to pull out the glasses, man. Y'all ain't never seen me in glasses, but this is it for the vlog. Cool glasses, ain't they? But man, we've been getting this thing perfect so these stripes will be aligned, and it can be a pain. Like, a lot goes into these alignments. And this Challenger is wrapped too. Or not Challenger, Charger.
That's what I don't know why I went on that Challenger.
It's easy to get them mixed up.
Challenger sounds so cool.
It does, man. And what are they making? They making the Charger. The EV is the Charger.
Yeah, it's slow.
So we got the matte black. I'm going to let the stripes be a surprise. Be looking out for that. But you can see it was Destroyer Gray. We got the red guts on the inside. So, yeah, this car is all done up. Great job on this wrap as well. So come check them out here in Southgate. So let me go take a look at my car. We got the back window in already. Back window film. 35% ceramic that. 35 on the back. Windshield look like it's coming up next. We got it prepped and all ready to go. And this is one of the craziest shops in Michigan.
Arguably we're the best shop in Michigan, bro.
Tell them argue with your mama.
Argue with your mom. We're the best shop in Michigan. And if you don't think so, just watch us work. This year, our year, for sure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So everything in this middle.
Yeah.
And it's going to be one stripe here. It's going to be matte black in the middle. Another stripe over here. I see we got some secrets up under this hood.
Oh,
dog.
yeah.
Oh.
Secrets, yes, sir.
I have to blur that out. Y'all can't see all of that.
Get you a little strong little tub.
So this is our center line right here.
That's the center line for sure.
We pull that up. It's going to be matte black underneath. I'm recording the video, editing video. That man double working. All that brake dust. Woo. So the windows are all tinted. You can't even see in there barely from this angle. 50% the front, 35% the rears inside. And then we got all that brake dust cleared off of here. So I got aluminum, chromey looking wheels over there. Coming across the front. This is what we really got to take care of. See all this bug, goo, and spit and all that other crap on there. Track day stuff. And then the other side, look how dirty these wheels are. So we about to get it all cleaned up so we can take a nice thumbnail. This is the final for the hood up there. Yeah. Looking good. 2 stripes. That's the signature Dodge right there. Over the top. That's what it's going to be. They really be talking about the interior. I'm like, man, it's all weather match down there. Like, it's just leaves, man. I'm trying to get an organic interior. Yeah, I mean.
That interior is tight, son.
Right.
Yeah, I mean.
Rolls Royce don't even got that in their interiors. No leaves. You can get granite, but you can't get no nature, no trees.
Man.
So we all set up in here. Got the car washed. Windows are tinted. And I done got myself into some trouble because I'm talking about racing the Hellcat over there. He don't want the smoke. We gonna race. I'm gonna win too. So take a look at the car now afterwards. Seriously though, we gonna win. So 35% on the back, ceramic tint. And I like ceramic because it looks like it just looks better to me. It looks like a little bit reflective, got a little bit of a blue hue to it, and it's easier to see out of in my personal experience. Car is clean now, no more bug goop all on there. And the background, the scenery on here is just so good for these photos. Great photo ops here. And the front, really can't see through there. So tinting the front windshield, even though it's only 50%, which is almost clear, it blends in the rest of the car well. So it looks even darker on the sides. And the front, it looks darker than what it actually is. So we looking good now, all tinted up. Huge shout out to the other Q, Quan over there. So don't forget to check these guys out here at Midnight Club. So they do good work, and they got the space to get all y'all cars up in there for multiple projects. So that's what we gonna do.
Please feel free to hit us up. You can either follow our page, Midnight Club Customs, right? Midnight Club Customs. You can either go to Midnight Club Customs, go to Detail Finesse. What's the address, brother? 18676 Eureka Road.
All right.
18676 Eureka Road, man.
By this time, I forgot what we talked about in the beginning of the video, but I think we were talking about modifications. So the first mod is always going to be tint, unless it's my Subaru. RIP to the Subaru, because it's no longer here with us today, so we had to switch it up to the Cadillac. Got the plate though, for now it's going away as well. But had to get tint on here just to clean up the look. That's the first and foremost thing. But other mods that I'm talking about, exhaust, because they said I sound a little bit quiet. I'm not as loud as the Hellcat. I'm faster, but not as loud. So we got to correct that as soon as possible. Wider tires, so I can definitely be faster than the Hellcat. Some forest wheels, some better rubber. What else can we get on here? A tune. That's going to help me that's going to make me put buses on the Hellcat, so he ain't going to have a chance to keep up with me. So get ready for the race. I will race now, but my car just got clean. I don't want to get it dirty, and I can't roll down my window because I just got new tint on there. So no excuses, but that's just what it is. All right, y'all. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.